Hello friends, hope you guys are doing great. Let's get started with today's video. In this you are going to learn some very cute and easy hairstyles. First, make a ponytail and then start following the process that is being shown in this video. After reaching at this stage, we can just simply see that how we are going to tuck it inside and how this bun looks really great. After that, you can proceed towards your another hairstyle, and then in this you can simply note that how we are going to make this very precise bun like this. After making a ponytail, you need to divide it into like this. After making a heart-shaped appearance of your hairs, you can insert the remaining hairs into this position. After that, you can make a bun and you are done. After rolling your front ends of hairs into this position, you can tie the remaining part of your hairs with the help of few rubber bands and make a bun like this. After making a bun like this, you can simply attach a ponytail, and after making a ponytail, you can make two bouncy buns out of it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.